Hi guys, join me as we create another holiday special, and this is cinnamon rolls. Let's get started. The first step is to mix together our dough. So we're going to be combining milk, butter, sugar, and then we're going to add some yeast in it. We're going to stir that together. You add some egg. Well, I used one egg. And then you're going to add your flour. And when you add your flour, you're now going to knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. So for your yeast, just put it in and then you can leave it to rest for around 3 minutes, just like I did there, before you add your flour. No, there is something so special about baking. Not only do you get to create something delicious, but the aroma that fills your kitchen is just incredible. It's like a big warm hug for everyone in the house, and my family love baked goods. It's so nice. So you're just going to mix this together until it's combined, and then that's when you're going to knead it on a floured surface, on a clean surface. So one of the problems people normally face when making cinnamon rolls is that they can be so dry. You take a bite and it's like you're eating cardboard. So it's supposed to have moisture, it's supposed to have nice flavors. So just watch and see how I make mine. So now I'm kneading this. I'm going to knead that for 10 minutes until everything comes together. And then we're going to put it in a greased bowl and let it rise, let it proof. So I'm gonna let that proof until it's doubled its size. So while that is proofing, we're going to prepare our filling. Alright, we're just going to mix together some softened butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. So we're just going to turn that into a paste, and then we'll spread it all over the dough when it's done proofing. You can make it this way, or you can just rub some butter on the dough and then sprinkle the brown sugar and the cinnamon on it. But I prefer this method because it's easier and it gets to all the places I want it to get to in the dough. So here our dough has finished proofing. We're just going to punch out the air bubbles. I love that part. You punch it out and then you're just going to roll. That's when you start rolling it out. Okay, so here is the fun part. We are going to roll out our dough into a big rectangle. Okay, just roll it out with your rolling pin, smoothing it out, and then you're just going to spread your filling all over it. Make sure you roll it out nicely. Then you smoothing it out. When you're done, you're now going to go ahead and spread your filling on it. Alright, so you have to make sure you spread it evenly, alright, and don't miss any spots. Make sure all the bits of the dough is covered with the filling. Okay, we're done spreading it, and now we're just going to roll it up tightly. Be very careful here, just roll it into a bowl. Just roll it up tightly, and then we're going to cut it into individual rolls. I used dental flux. Dental flux is easy for me to use because it's easier. You can also use knife to just cut it up into rolls. When you're done with this part, you're just going to place it in your baking pan, and then you're going to let it proof again until double the size. Alright, you see it's double now, so you're just going to coat it with a milk. You can go ahead and put some warm milk in there, and then you're going to bake that for at 300 degrees for around 30 minutes. Alright, my lovelies, if you're enjoying this recipe up till now, please like, comment, share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Right, and guys, I've had some adverts playing on my videos, so please don't skip my adverts, okay? Don't skip. If you can, please watch some of it. I really appreciate it. Thank you. So now we're going to be making our frosting. I love this part. So for the frosting, I'm using cream cheese. Then I'm going to go in with 2 teaspoons of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We're just going to whisk it together for a little while, and then we're going to go in with powdered sugar. That's the icing sugar. Okay, I'm using 1 cup of it, so I went in with half. I whisked that a little bit, and then I went in with the other half, and then I whisked everything together until it's very smooth. Very, very smooth. That's what we want it to look like. And now the dough is done. Our cinnamon rolls are done, so we're just going to go in and coat all of it with this beautiful frosting. And that's it, guys. I like putting the frosting on top of it when it's still hot, so that it will just melt inside of it. It makes it look so good, and it's so yummy. And there we have our cinnamon roll, guys. This holidays is gonna be so beautiful with this on top of your table, and your friends and family is gonna appreciate it very, very well. Thank you so much for joining me on this baking adventure. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.